Hi. Welcome back. In our last class, we learned how to land freelance gigs through your portfolio. In today's class, we will be learning adding social proofs and media feature. Social proof helps build credibility and trust, making it easier for potential clients to choose you over competitors. Ways to add social proof to your portfolio. 1. Client testimonials and reviews. Feature short, impactful quotes from happy clients. Use photo plus name for authenticity. 2. Media features and awards. If you've been featured in blogs, podcasts, or news outlets, highlight them. Use logos of recognized media platforms. 3. Metrics and achievements. Showcase hard data, e.g., increased engagement by 120%. Add before and after performance analytics. 4. Collaborations and partnerships. List any brands or influencers you've worked with. Mention successful campaign results. Pro tip: the more authentic and verifiable your social proof, the more convincing it will be. Final project. Create and present your fully functional portfolio. Your task: compile all previous work into a fully structured portfolio. Ensure it includes case studies, testimonials, and a PDF version. Choose one main platform, LinkedIn, website, Behance, etc., to showcase it. Share it in a professional networking space or pitch it to a potential client. Goal: by the end of this project, you should have a portfolio that is visible, monetizable, and client-ready. Congratulations on completing this course.